Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Homer Simpson 3.0 token. Yes, there is now a 3.0 token. The initial Homer token wasn't enough, then they had a 2.0 token, and now they're hitting you in the face with a 3.0 token that is being listed on a big central exchange tomorrow, July 9th. They're getting a huge central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. The Homer Simpson 3.0 token. So it is being listed July 9th, 12 o'clock UTC time on a big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Simpson3, the number 3, all one word. You don't need to add the 2.0, it's just listed as Simpson3, and then simply just buy the token. Now, the actual ticker symbol, if you're looking on CoinMarketCap, is Simpson and then a space 3.0. And name of the token is Homer. So this is brought to you by the same people that brought to you the initial Homer token and the 2.0 token. So they're making their own knockoff tokens as opposed to all these other 2.0 tokens. They're kind of not affiliated with the original one. Like the people who made Dogecoin are not the ones making Doge 2.0. And Baby Doge, Baby Doge 2.0 is not made by the same team that made Baby Doge, etc., right? But this Homer one, they're putting out their own tokens. And you can see that because all their socials are the same. So their Twitter is at Homer Simpson _HS. And that is the same Twitter for all the other Homer tokens, and they have 53,000 Twitter followers on there, so they're already established. And this token right now you can find in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap. They're up 86%. I mean, it helps that this token is new, but then also getting that big Mexc Global listing tomorrow. Mexc has over 6 million users, so that is why people are like, oh, it's going to be available to all these users, is a lot of people's thinking, and then they go get the token before it gets listed because they're anticipating that to make the token pump tomorrow. Maybe. We'll see. That's not financial advice. It could happen. It could also plummet tomorrow. People could sell the token as soon as it gets listed on Mexc, so be aware of that. Now, their market cap for this project right now is a little bit over $500,000, $514,000. And their 24-hour trading volume right now is $600,000. There is a webpage on here, homersimpson.xyz, and I believe that is just the same webpage as all the other Homer Simpson tokens as well. So not much change there. It's like they're just they're keeping all the same information for every token almost, and then just putting the 3.0 there. You know what I mean? So if you go to their Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. You can see on their Twitter it says, get ready to say woohoo to the fun and gains of the Homer Simpson coin, the meme coin that is taking over the crypto world by storm. It says Ethereum, Simpson 1.0 and 2.0 and 3.0. So it's all those They have 1,606 tweets. Their newest tweet from 21 hours ago, it says, you can deposit Simpson 3 now on MEXC Global. So if you do buy this token off of Uniswap first, you can deposit it onto MEXC before it actually gets listed for buying and trading on there. Now, they have 100 times or 200 times, lots of memes on here. So it says Simpson 3.0, just lots of memes, basically. Realistically, little to no information because this is very much just a meme token. I could almost guarantee that it has identical tokenomics to all the other ones. So once you basically learn about the one token or the 2.0 token, you can pretty much guess what the 3.0, the 4.0, 5.0 token is going to be. Identical, just a new name, right? It says, welcome to the metaverse of memes. Simpson 3.0 is here to bring the joy of Homer Simpson to the virtual world. Invest in Simpson 3.0 and become part of the community that knows how to have a good laugh while making some serious gains. Calling out all crypto enthusiasts, get ready to embark on a journey of laughter and financial gains with Simpson 3.0. About to take off, chasing a runaway donut. The meme coin that'll make your wallet go dough. So you see what I mean? It's just like they're little to no information and just basically meme after meme after meme. Now, they do have an Etherscan listed on here. So let's check out their Etherscan. According to their Etherscan, 703 holders so far. Max total supply 420 quadrillion tokens, 9 decimal places, 2,707 transfers so far, according to their Etherscan. They do have a Telegram chat that you could join. And this one, it looks like it's specifically for the Homer 3.0 token. So that's a little different. This is a new social that they have here. You can find that at Homer Simpson 3 and then Moon. So check that out. Now their white paper, very long information on here. But again, this is the identical white paper as they have for the initial Simpson token. And you can find that listed on CoinMarketCap. On MEXC Global, if you go to their MEXC Global announcement page, you can click on details. That's on their Twitter at MEXC_official. Click on details, scroll down, and it says Homer Simpson 3.0, the meme coin that'll make you say woohoo. And then there's little to no information as well. So it's, yeah, that's basically it. Very much a meme coin. And, you know, you're not going to have to worry about slippage or anything like that on MEXC Global either, or gas fees. There are very minimal fees on there, so that's a benefit to MEXC. But check it out. This token gets listed tomorrow. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the Homer Simpson 3.0 token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.